dear students and working accountants. Welcome to my Export Tally Plan YouTube channel. My name is Baburao from Hyderabad. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about the part 2 of the special features of Tally Plan News 5.0. That is Tally Plan 5.0. So the second part, that is the second part of the special features. So before entering into the topic, I request to you, many people just watching the videos and going off without subscribing. Please, everyone visiting the channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all so that you get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And another important thing is, everyone, please visit every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you can learn the topic up to that point only. The balance topic, the balance matter, subject matter, you cannot understand. That means it is very half knowledge. So please visit till the end. See the colleges, you go to the college, you will sit in the college for 2 to 3 hours, you will spend in the classroom. It's only an academic qualification, but this is a professional qualification, professional study. That is qualifying software we are learning. That is why it is worth to learn, to spend more time. So at least for every video, it is around 45 minutes or maximum less than 1 hour. Spend the time and watch the video till the end so that you get good knowledge. Okay, and then now entering into the subject. So I'm sharing the screen. In the first part, we learned many features, special features like so how to download the Tally file and how to enable the username in the applicable features in the GST details. We will upload that. We will do the username and select EDC. The option EDC or DSC. We will select EDC and then how to connect to the API, how to connect portal as well as our Tally. So log into the portal and then so click the view profile or a button, a small arrow next to the name. So there you get the menu. So my profile, you can click that also. So the page will open and here on the left side, quick links. So enable API access. Click that and another page will open. So enable API access. Below that, enable that is enable API request. Enable API request. You click that and select yes or no. So we require that API access. So select yes and it will show time 6 hours and 30 days. So 30 days, when you click this, the portal will be connected to the Tally print. So we need not keep it connected for 30 days. Just for 6 hours, you can select 6 hours and confirm that. So the API through the API, the Tally print and the GST portal are connected after the time 6 hours. If you want to work more, again you can connect it through the API. Okay. Now through the one-time password OTP. That is one. And then after connecting that, after connecting that, we have to log in the portal in the Tally frame. So go to the exchange, the DEX exchange, GST login and log out. So you click that, you show the message here, you show for the number, get OTP because the username is not given and I don't have access to the portal also. That is it is showing username is not specified. So if it is specified and it is connected to the API, you show the GST number and it will ask you to send the button, send OTP. If you click that, OTP will come to our mobile phone and enter that and then it will be connected to the GST portal and the Tally frame are connected. So when they are connected, we can do all the work in the portal. So here, that already I told you. So here, we can upload the GST returns, 1 PB or something, you can upload as well as and you can file the GSTR1 also. Upload first, you can upload GSTR1 for example, and then you file the GSTR1. And when you file the GSTR1, all the invoices will be uploaded. That I will show you. I will show you in another company. I will show you that. I will show you the example. So, for example, Ramakrishna Electronics, if you go to the day book, so you have to continue the date, so you have not of these things. So, for example, if you take April, so in April, if you take this F2 and remove the date, you get all the things. So, for example, you take up April to April. So, you take April to April. That is the period you take April, and you take April to April. So, for example, this is April to April, and before filing that, you have to see in the GSTR1. GSTR1. So, go to the display mode reports, statutory reports, GST reports in GSTR1. So, here, select April to April. So, there should not be anything like any number here. Uncertain transactions means errors. There is no number means everything is correct. Okay, you have to edit that one. Show that. You have to make sure that there is no error. And through that, also you go to upload GST returns. So if you select, this is April to April, GSTR1 is selected. So return, you are selecting here. Upload GST returns means you are getting selected already. So GSTR1. So this will be uploaded. So click the send button. All these invoices will be uploaded. Okay. And after that, you can see if you select file GSTR1. So the same thing will appear here. GSTR1 April to April. Then send means the file will be, the details are uploaded already. This is the summary. If you click the send, so the GSTR1 will be so for April 24, GSTR1, file GSTR1. So that will be filed directly into the portal. You did not go to the portal at all. Suppose in the when you filed GSTR1, all the file invoices, everything will be filed directly into it. If any file, even though they are correct, no uncertain transactions, due to some error, some mistake. So if any invoice is rejected, so it will show what it will show is here in the GSTR1. So in the GSTR1, if you go to April, here in the month of April, so here it will show another line rejected by portal to show the numbers. If you click that, why the portal rejected, so that errors if you clarify, if the errors are corrected, and then again if you go here, those which were not accepted by the portal rejected, and now we corrected them. So rectified, those invoices will be shown here. Again, you can click send and you can upload this one. You can upload. So that is why this is uploading GST returns and finding one. And download GST returns means, so what are the returns you want to download? Configure. So returns means you can download any one return. So QB, for example, and this is the down arrow. So click it April to April or April to June, April to May. Any period or any month you can select and accept and click download. So if you click the download, now it will not be downloaded because my tally frame is not connected to this one. And in this case, what will happen is if you go to display mode reports, this one, and GST reports, and QB reconciliation. So here, April to April. So here, all this information is given here in the 2B. This is 2B means all purchases, that is ITC. So the information here, the information in the portal we downloaded from the portal, and the information or data in the tally frame should be the same. So that will be downloaded and it will be shown below this, which will be shown in blue color. So both the figures, both the data are correct. It will show reconciled, but now it is not unreconciled. There is any mismatch, it will show unreconciled. If you click that and rectify the error, and then it will show reconciled. And here also it will show we can say that we can do here with the help of information. That is downloading. Okay. And again we'll go back to our another company. This company will go here. So this all we selected. And now how to another thing is how to fix the party details when you are creating the any party, when you are creating any ledger, data or credit, what you can do is so here go to create and select ledger or go to alter, select ledger and go to create because it's not available here. So only two by default. Create and here we can give all the details of a party and you can create. But if you are giving it, the details of the data in this party account, all the details should be the same in the same as in the portal because the person other party when they registered in the portal, they'll give the details. Those details and details in our book should be the same. That is why. So instead of that, what you can do is simply fetch details from using GSTN. You do the number here. You do the number here. For example, I'll give you a number. So here, I am giving a number. So if you do the number here and click, so see, it's in all the details as per books and as per totally all the details are taken from all the details we got from the portal. So if you do that, and this party Swami Enterprises, how they filed, what about their filing history? So click file, see here, click Alt yes, Alt yes means filing history. So it will show all the filing history. This is the F1, that is the GSTR1. This is TB filed twice June and September. That means it is quarterly, April, May, June, one quarter. July, August, September, another quarter. It is quarterly means this is also should be quarterly. One also will be filed quarterly, but filed every month means mini GSTR1 called as IFF. Only B2B invoices will be uploaded, will be filed in the IFF facility because invoice vanishing facility. So filed every month. Invoice vanishing facility, just like mini GSTR1. So IFF is filed every month and the GSTR1 and PP will be filed every quarter. So this is okay. The escape is coming here and here again all here accept this open. Okay. Now here we don't know the portal will not know whether this party is a data or data. So we have to change it. So if it is a data, select send data. If it is a data, select send data. Okay. So like this, we can create the ledger directly without any mistake. All the details on the portal will be taken to this to our books also visible. And then next one is so that is filing history. Then if you want to create many ledgers at a time, if it is 4 or 5, you can manually you can one by one we can create. But if it is hundreds and thousands, then how do you create? So you can create at a time with the help of the portal. Then how we will do it? So that's called creation of multiple ledgers. So in that case, how we will do here is so here it can be done in 3 ways. It will be created in 3 ways. How you mean? First of all, so go to Alt G, go to click Alt G now with keyboard or click that go to. You click that, go to here in the search bar, just you click bulk. Bulk means many. So bulk ledger creation using GST with help of GST number, you can create bulk ledgers, bulk or multiple or multi creation of ledgers. So here, if you click that, so it will ask you the specify the numbers, 1 or 2 are will type. So if there are hundreds and thousands, so we have to bring them from another page from Excel. We have to download in Excel. We have to save all the numbers and those numbers. See here, import GSTN from Excel. So we can keep from Excel. If you click that, I will show you how to do. Okay, I will show you later. So this is one method. Through the we go to and another one is second one is to come to display more reports, in the statutory reports, go to GST reports. GST reports, if you go, there is one option. GST will be, if you click that, create party using GSTN. You click that, the same page is coming here. Here also, from Excel, we can download. This is the second method. First method is go to. Second method is the GST utilities in the GST reports. And the third one is, go to chart of accounts. Go to chart of accounts. Select ledgers. So here, Sunday Critica, Swami Enterprises. So it is created already. One we created. Now we want to create more. So what we have to do is go to the or control H. Control H. Control H means multi ledgers, multi masters. So if you click that or enter again. Here also you can see create party using GSTN. So in any of the three ways, first you go to multi or bulk create bulk key type, you get the option. And second one, you go to GST reports, go to display mode reports and GST reports. There will be one option GST utilities. Here you can see that create ledger, create party using GSTN. Or another one is you can go to chart of accounts in the Tally, gateway of Tally. Go to chart of accounts, select ledgers, then go to control H or multi masters, control H multi masters, and here also multi masters you can see. Here also you can see create party using GSTN. So here like this, you will get the you will get the specify the GSTN. Now you go to import GSTN. Import GSTN from Excel, all the numbers. You go to this page. So I have the Excel file saved with numbers. So this is the saved with numbers where it is in, see, go to the on the desktop. So select from drive, go to desktop. On the desktop I saved. So go to file on desktop and then the name of that is one is GSTN. GSTN. So select that and it is in sheets here. In this, then there will be many sheets. This is sheet number one, and I have two columns. Either column you can take. For example, I will take up B. Okay. So here, sheet number one, column B, accept. So here, all the numbers you know, all five numbers. I have only five numbers now. You can have any number of them. 5, 10, or 20, 100, 50, 100, 200, thousands of numbers you can say. So now we got the numbers. Now we have to get the party details. That is, that we create the parties. So we have to accept this control here. If we take control here, so we got all the parties. We got all the parties, and here see all the details are sundry data only. Suppose if anything is linear party is not sundry data, so you can just enter. If you enter, you can come here. So if it is a creditor, you make it creditor. If it is debtor, you make it debtor. All our creditors, if you want to change the group, then you see here, change parent group, change parent group. So here itself, you can change. You go to sundry, if it is not debtor, all creditors. So make it sundry creditors, select. All will become sundry creditors. Okay, I've taken all items. So all items means debtors and creditors will be there. These are already debtors. Okay, now. And here, change this. And here now, and here what you can do is, here all the details you have to check out. From here, enter. So this one, address it will go place of any state. Then after that, it is regular or anything, the registration type. So all are active means all are, they may be regular or composition. If it is error, so if you take it, composition you can select. If it is regular means regular. If any one registration status is inactive or cancelled means it will be unregistered. Okay. So in that case, registered but they became inactive or they are cancelled. In such a case, you can make it unregistered. If it is this status is inactive or unregistered, cancelled, then you can select unregistered consumer on the enter. Okay, and next the number will be shown. Unregistered means number is not required to be there. And then you can change here. Here if you take, you make it another thing. So this task registration type, depending on the status, we change it. That can be done in another place also. You can make it yes, Y if you type, you can make it yes. So in the first one, as per portal, as per books, So that is given when you are creating the ledger. That is single ledger. So we will go to that page. We will go to that page. We will go to this page, and you see here. So if the details are there is any difference, you can change it, as well as, so it is inactive or cancel. Here you can come down. You can come down. Any changes are there, make the changes. You need come down, as well as Tamil Nadu, and you can here make it as unregistered. So there itself you can do. Here also you can do. If there is any difference here between these two, the details are different. So you say Alt here W or update as per portal. If you click that, so these details will be transferred to book also. So and they accept. Like that, you can make the operations. So we can, after this, with the help of this regular, you can change the registration type depending on the GST number status. And or you will see this here the end additional info. Here also you can make it yes. Make it yes, and you can go to the other page. Here also you can make the changes. So like this, you can create many ledgers. You see now, go to alter ledger. See, all these are created. Already first we created Swami Enterprises, one ledger. See, all these ledgers are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ledgers we created now. So all these, like, see the details. So every detail will be available. All the details are available. So this is how it's done. And another one, next one is, so another one is, next one is another one. And one validate what is GST. So when you are filing GSTR1, so before that, all the GST numbers of the parties should be correct. If anything is wrong, that should be corrected. That correcting means validating. How you do that? Here you see, display more reports, then go to statute reports and GST reports. In the GST reports, you go to GSTR1. When you are filing GSTR1, here, when you are filing GSTR1, for example, in this, there is no, this one, I will take up another company, you will take up another company, for example, this one is taken. So, a book, and got all the numbers here. So before filing GSTR1, so how you file GSTR1? So can display more reports, statutory reports, GSTR1. So here, when you correct and select again month, April to April. Okay, to April to April. So for the month of April, we got the details. So there is no certain transactions. Okay. Now here we have to see whether all the GST numbers are correct or not. So GST numbers means only B2B or B2C, they don't have numbers. B2B only 5 are there. So they will show this. How we will show? We have to validate anything wrong. Here you see, validate party GST. Validate party GST. If you click that, you can see the details. So 2 are okay. Only 3 is showing. So here, this in this case, here also regular. So here, from here, you can go here and update details. So, and again, what you do, all the details are not available. After getting that validate, see fetch details from the validate is open. Now fetch details means all the details will get active R&D. And then update details means here we can make updation. You can make updation here regular. Similarly, here also, if anything wrong, that is inactive or is inactive or it is cancelled. So you can make it. If it is composition, so from regular you can make composition. If it is not inactive or cancelled, you can select this one. So like this you can do. And also here also the additional info, make yes. So select yes. Okay. So here also, again from here also, you can make the correction here also. Like that, all the GST numbers of the parties should be correct. That means if they are not correct, they must be validated. Validated means make correct. Okay, they can be validated from here. Okay, see the and then we get the next one. So up to this, we already told you, but again, this creating multiple ledgers will be a little bit confusing. So that I told you. Now the other things will be there. So TDS and purchase of goods auto calculation. So when you purchase goods from April during the financial year up to 50 lakhs, there is no TDS. After crossing 50 lakhs on the excess over 40 lakhs, so from that 0.1%, that tax is to be deducted and paid to government. And that auto calculation, that is only after crossing 50 lakhs, on the excess only we have to calculate. So that is to be calculated automatically. Previously, there was no option. So we have to make it what you call manually. But now they have given the option. You select that option, collect the deducted tax above the exemption limit. That is above the exemption limit of 50 lakhs. The option is you select yes, then above 50 lakhs on the X amount only, TDS will be calculated. That we will take up later. TCS and TDS. In that you will get it. Next, import data in PDF into Tally frame. So from Tally Excel data we imported to our we imported from Excel data from Excel to our Tally frame. Okay. Similarly, in the case of some bank statements and all these things, so we can make them PDF files. We can convert them into PDF, and bank statements can be imported to the Tally frame from the PDF in the form of PDF. Automatically, all the transactions will be imported into our Tally frame. The bank statement. Instead of typing, the bank statement may be 10 pages, 5 pages, 2 pages, or 10 pages. All the pages you cannot type. So directly it will be imported. And then auto backup of data. So previously we know we know how to back up the data. How to back up the data. Just to see here. So you will go to yeah, you go to data. So backup. So backup you select. So we have to actually, I have given the backup file, backup folder already, backup path I have already given. So we need not select every time. It's already selected. That is why what we can do is we need not select it. So backup destination path automatically it will select, and all items, all the companies means all items are select. If any one of the companies, so select the respective companies. Otherwise, if you select this one, and if you select this also is not required, to go to if you select, we want all items, you select one or two, we can select. For example, we select this one, this is number 15. We selected one, and this also we selected. Otherwise, you can. So we'll select it and accept. So, and then end of list. We selected two. After that, we have to end of otherwise all the companies will be selected from the end of list. So it is selected. Two numbers. One is 15 and 11. Okay, 15 and 11. This is 15. So already all the companies are backed up. So it is asking this new backup will rewrite the old backup. It is asking to overwrite the backup 15. Okay, yes. And the second one again 11. So these two are backed up. So if you go to the it is in the left drive, go to Tally frame backup 5. See 11 and 15. So 11 and 15 already there. The new backup overwrite the old backup. So all the companies will be available only once. Any number of times if you backup, the old will be rewritten by the new one. Like this. This is called manual backup. So this when you are making this manual backup, you are making the manual backup. When you are making the manual backup, so every time we have to do every day or every 2 days or 1 week. Sometimes we forget. If you forget that, suppose something happens to the data, it will be a problem. That is why not without forgetting, to avoid the forgetting of the backup, there is one option called auto backup. That means there will be some program file will be there that is called TTL, Tally Definition Language. That will be defined the tally work. So that's called Tally Definition Language. That file we have to attach. So that file we have to make separately and then come here, TDL and IRANS. Click that and here click that and here manage local TDS means private from outside. So if you select this, yes, and here, so it's auto backup. It is no. If you make it yes, it will automatically backup. So accept. So in this case, if you do this, for example, this is the company. If I after working that, if I close the company, if I close the that is if I shut the company, so I'm shutting the company. You see, we may forget to we may forget to backup, but without backup, we are closing that. Lastly, backup company. It is reminding you. So we want backup. So we make it yes. So yes, like this we can do. So in this case, one problem is so this is backed up once. Okay, go to this one. This is in H drive. I think it is in H drive. H drive. Galley Prime Auto Backup 5. See here. Here now this is the date. Here yes, this is the number and this is number 3. Okay, this is number 3 and so here the company is that is backed up automatic. Okay, this is backed up automatic. For example, so this company we back up, close it again. So it will ask you whether backup or not. You say yes. Again, what will happen is so every time we back up, it will show again and again. It will not override the old one. Old one will be there, and the new one also will be there. So in this case, you see backup set here 28 set here. That is Monday. That is 417, 418. That is number 3. And this is also number 3, again number 11 or something like that. Number 11. So number 11. So if you open number 11, suppose again you open, so close it after working, close it. It is asking backup. Click yes. So it is backed up. Okay. Now if you see this, so here so 18, 19. 19 also the same number. See, 18 is also the same number. This is also the same number 11. That means any number of times it will go on to start giving the it's showing the backup. So then in such a case, our memory will use. In such a case, there is another program in this also. When you automatically backup, the old backup will be deleted and the new backup will replace the old backup. In backup or automatic backup also, that option is there. That is going to be installed, but still it is not automatically. They will build up the TDL file by default automatically. If they do that, we need not install the or we need not attach the here in the F1. We need not use the folder, TDL folder. We need not use it. Okay. We need not use the folder anymore. No, we need not use the folder. Okay. Automatically the tally prime, the tally people, they are making that, they are going to make, but still not done. They will do that. And tally capital. So in this, if you go to any company in the gateway of Tally, in the utilities after the banking, so the Tally capital will be. So in such case, Tally capital means to secure the capital, lot of money. So how you can borrow or how you can get the loans, all these details will be available in that. Through that, you can apply for the loans, you can get the loans. That is called as Tally capital, not at none. Okay. And then strip you see here. Okay. Here. See here, playbook you're opening. So in this case, the strip view means all the vouchers, reports, invoices, everywhere, all the vouchers, reports, everywhere. The lines, one line will be in color, the next line will be, and the alternative line colors will be alternative lines will be in color, other lines will be in this. This is called as stripe view. Stripes like to the shirts will have stripes. Like that, we can get the stripes in the tally, reports, vouchers, invoices, and everything to get the stripes. So that is also called stripe view. It is called. Previously, it was there, grid view. For that also, we have to install EDL file. But now here, this tally people, they install by default, they install this feature they added. So now, how to make that step view? How to make the stripe 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 view? And that will do. How to make the stripe view is what is it can be done in 2 ways. That is, one is temporarily. That is, we can show the enable or disable for temporarily only once. To close it and open, it is enabled. Close it and open, it will go. It will not show. Or if it is already existing, you can make it only temporarily. For example, here, if you want to make temporarily, go to F12, go to F12, F12, see at the end, enable strip view, make it yes. Make it yes. So all the strip view will be seen now. So if it is only temporary, only once, you close it and again open, there will be no strip view. Anywhere, either any report or profit and loss account, go and see the profit and loss account, go and see the profit and loss account also. So F12, enable strip view, make it yes, only once it will show. Close and open, so it's not showing. Close and open, it is not showing. So it's only temporary. So this is about the strip view, make it temporary with the help of F12. If you want to make it permanent, so in that case, so here, go to F1, go to setting, go to display, and here there is application. There are enable strip view for reports. Make it yes. Yes means cannot type. Enter, it will become yes. Then use the down arrow. Here, enable strip view for vouchers. That also make it yes. Okay. Now accept. Now we go and see the daybook. See, daybook or anywhere. It is permanent. Is permanent. Yeah. To the daybook. Go to the daybook. So all the pages completing. Even if you close it and open, that stripe view will be there because this is permanent. This is permanent. So go to any vouchers or anything. You go to the daybook, see the voucher, sales voucher. See, this voucher also have the stripe view, inside the vouchers, any voucher, payment. So this voucher, any voucher, either vouchers or any reports, so to the board, see the profit and loss account, in the balance sheet, everything will show this. Okay, this is permanent. Even if you close and open, that also will be, this also will be, so will show the, okay, this is the strip view, and this strip view will work. Just now we enabled from settings, we enabled from settings, display. So these two, we made it. Okay, these are all for reports and vouchers. Vouchers means invoices and everything. For all the vouchers and reports, for any report. So this is debut, this is a report, and this is profit and loss account, balance sheet report. Voucher, if you go to any voucher, all the vouchers will show. Everything will show. Okay. But in the case of printing of the invoice, to take the invoice, you go to, this is will show. But if you go to printing page, control P, and if you see the, what you call here also, if you see So this is there, and F4, this is there. So this is already enabled now. I will tell you. Here, it will not work. It will not work. It will not work. Here, you go and see. Here, even though in the voucher, that is in the sales invoice voucher, so it has CPU, it is enabled. But here, it is not enabled. It is enabled there in the sales. You go and see the sales invoice. So it is CPU is there. But here in the print invoice, print view, in the print paper, print page, it is not available. So vouchers and all vouchers, invoices, and reports, everything with the help of the F1 settings display be enabled. But here it is to be enabled separately. So how you will enable is go to configure, and here you just type. You can search instead of searching. You can type here stripe. If you type means stripe you. If you make it no, yes means enter or click to become yes. Okay, you cannot type yet. Make it yes. Now we go and see. Now this is enabled. Okay, this stripe view is enabled. Okay, so vouchers and reports that with the help of F1 settings display, and here printing page means the configure in the print page and enable custom view. Okay, if you make it no, it will disable. There also, if you go to settings and display, you see, we go to this tool to make them enter arrow no, to make no, so permanently they will go permanently they will go. Okay, so with the help of F12, it is only temporary, only once it will show. So here now it will show. Okay, again if you make it no, it will go. So if you temporary, that is permanent. Like this, you can do the strict view. This is called. And the next one is bell icon for notifications and ITC breakup. Bell icon for notifications means, see in this one, the previous releases not available. Here, any updates or anything will be shown in the notification section. For that, one bell icon is given. The old releases, there is no icon. Bell icon is given. If you click that, you show the notifications. See here, this license is going to expire, and you manage the license. So this is given. So again, if you escape, it will go. Okay. And also, if there is any new notification, there will be a red button on the bell icon. So that is the understanding. If you click that, and you can give in the short key also. For this short key is Control Enter N. Control Enter N. If you click, this will be open. This is available in this release only. In the old release, it's not available. Another is ITC breakup. See, if you go to you will get ITC. What is the ITC amount you have? So ITC balance. For that purpose, you go to the GST portal. The old balance up to last month will be available on the home page under dashboard. Old balance will be available. For this month, how much ITC will get? That will be available in GSTR 2B. You go to 2B for the current period, what is the available ITC? And if you go to 3B table number 4, here you will see the old balance plus current balance, total ITC will be shown there. So you have to go for 3 places. One is old balance in dashboard, another one is in 2B, the current month ITC, and total ITC, the GST 3B. Instead of going to the portal at all, here itself in the GST in TDS sensor, calculating itself you can get. So how you will get the breakup? So in this case, here go to display more reports, and go to statutory records. So total will be available. Total will be the finally that ITC will be available in 3D. So GST reports, select GSTR 3D. Select GSTR 3D. GSTR 3D will select the data also. So this is the GSTR 3D. So in this case, what is the total ITC? This is only for current month as per our book. And in this case, you see here F8 on the right button bar. ITC breakup, F8 ITC breakup. If you click that, it will show the breakup of the of this one. So there will be three columns. Go to the right side, right side. So extreme right. From other periods means the previous periods. What is the IGST, CGST available? Here no amount is available. This is the available amount. This is the available ITC. TC, anything is wrong, we have to make it reverse. That is, we have cancel. So amount reversed and the balance net amount available. It will show. This is for the old period, previous years, not available. Then come to the right side. Come to the right. So this is for the current period. So old period, current period. Again come to the right. This is total. Old period, last month balance plus current month amount, total amount will be shown here. Here the last month balance is not there. That's why it's showing the current amount is showing. Like that, we can get the at one place we can get the ITC. Okay. Then bottom line bar, I will tell you this is easy. Bottom line bar. See here for every page, for every page, there is one line in the bottom. So with some options, I will show you in our case daybook. I will show you more in there. So go to the daybook. So here, see a lot of options are here. This is the bottom line bar. Bottom line bar. In some pages, some options will be there, but which line bar will be here. So if you want to remove this or add it, if you want to remove this, just go to F1 and go to settings and go to display. And here, below this strip view, below this show bottom bar. So make it no. So see, the bar is gone. The bar is not shown. Make it yes. So bar is shown. Like that you can go. That is with the help of F11, F1 settings and display. Below the strip view, enable or disable strip view for reports and watches. Below that, the bottom bar is there. So if you make it yes, the bottom bar will be shown. Make it no, bottom bar will be not shown. Okay. And then last one, bill details for sorting. See here, you know, we already completed. That is bill wise details. Bill wise details means when you purchase goods or sell goods, so the number of the invoice will be saved. Like that, all the new invoices when you enter, that will be saved. And when you are making the payment or receiving the payment, and we can understand, we have to see which bill we are getting, which bill amount we are getting. So that is called as, it's called against reference. Okay. So for example, here they book, we are receiving payment here and not. For example, payment. So here, this is amount paid. If you come to this amount, after payment of entering the amount, against which bill you are paying this? Payment this you are paying. You click that, which against reference. What are the pending bills? Against which bill we are paying? You click that, you see, all the bills are there. So against this bill, we are paying, all our bills are there. They will be as per the number wise. 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 9,000, 7,000 it is differently done. And here, if you want to make the sorting, whatever you want, I will show you. So how you will make the sorting method. So sorting method, you can see the sorting method also through the settings. Go to the settings. So F1, go to settings and go to display, and here you type setting. Sorry, what is it? Not setting. Sorting. So if you make sort is the right sorting method for bending bills. So final balance it is given actually enter this. By default, it will be default. Default means so the number will be as per entries. So this is the first number 6,000, 7,000, 9,000. First second do like this. The amounts are different. So like this, as per the numbers, as per the date. If you want to make it another way, so again you go to F1 settings, display, and here sorting. Sort is the type sorting method. You can select anyone. So bill date increasing. Now it will be increasing. Bill date decreasing. You select bill date Decreasing, you select, see here, you go here, see here. Against reference, decreasing means first, second, first, like that from 30th to come down. So bill date is decreasing. So in respect of other columns, it is decreasing. Sometimes you can take amount also here. Settings, display, sorting method. If you take here now amount, you can take balance increasing, balance increasing or decreasing. You can take balance decreasing. If you select, you go here, see here, all the pending you see. Decreasing is higher, irrespective of the dates and amount, bill numbers. So first one, bill number, more amount, then less amount, then less amount. Amount is reducing. Like this, you can get in any manner. That is, you can select any sorting method. Okay. So these are the main features of the really main best features. Among these, the best features are connecting the GST portal and clarifying, and we can do every work without going to the portal. Every work GST work, every work we can do in the Tally time only. This is the best option given in this one. Best option given in the GST, Tally Prime release 590. That is the best advanced features. Okay, with this I am closing. We will meet in the next video. Bye. All the best. Good night.